Hello South Africa. Volkswagen Polo number 1 in fatal traffic collisions. The City of Cape Town Mayoral Committee member for Safety and Security Alderman JP Smith has revealed that Volkswagen Polo leads the road traffic fatality rate. Smith said Volkswagen Polo models are followed by Toyota Hilux, Toyota Quantum, Toyota Corolla, Isuzu KB series, Volkswagen Golf, Ford Ranger and in 8th place the BMW 3 series. These are according to a previous report by the Road Traffic Management Corporation, he said. He went on to say alcohol plays a major role in vehicle accidents, with already 45 persons arrested over the past few days for driving while under the influence. Let's all do our part. Be conscious and aware while driving, remain alert and stay off the cell phone. Even when stopping at an intersection, dropping your guard while checking your messages makes you vulnerable to smash and grabs. Be responsible. Don't drink and drive, he warned. On the alcohol topic, Smith has also indicated that the Law Enforcement Liquor Enforcement Unit has by far taken receipt of 14,088 bottles of confiscated alcohol, amounting to 7,043 litres. This is for the period October 18th to December 28th. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.